Poverty is not about the lack of ability.
It's about the lack of opportunity.
When boys and girls rise together,
The world rises higher. An inclusive society is a stronger society.
fairness creates unity, not division.
Equal opportunities lead to equal dignity.
Wow, Aisha, your water purifier model is really impressive. Are you planning on entering the national competition?
Yes, but my parents aren't sure if girls compete in science. They think it's only for boys.
That's an old idea. Your work speaks for itself. You deserve every chance.
You should enter, Aisha. You're just as good as anyone here.
Can I please see how this water purifier works?
Yes, of course. Watch this.
Oh, that's clever. But I wish I thought of that before.
It's so simple. Why didn't we think of this?
Reduced equality is. We live in the same cities, go to the same schools, but sometimes it feels like we live on different planets.
I didn't choose to be born into privilege, but I never realized how much of a head start I had.
Every child has a spark of curiosity, a question waiting to change the world. But not every spark gets that same chance to shine.
ਕੁੜੀ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਵੇ ਕੁੜਾ ਪੱਟਦੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਲੋਕੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਵੇ ਕੁੜਾ ਪੱਟਦੀ ਲੱਕ ਪੱਤਨਾ ਹਿਲਾਵੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਘੁੰਮ ਘੁੰਮ ਲਾਵੇ ਪੱਤਨਾ ਹਿਲਾਵੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਘੁੰਮ ਘੁੰਮ ਲਾਵੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲੀ ਮੈਦਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੁੱਕਦੀ ਦੇਖੋ ਯਾਰੋ ਫੱਟੇ ਚੁੱਕਦੀ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਬੀਟ ਉੱਤੇ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਨਾ ਕੱਟਦੀ ਕੱਲੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਫੱਟੇ ਚੁੱਕਦੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਬੀਟ ਉੱਤੇ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਨਾ ਥੱਕਦੀ ਦੇਖੋ ਯਾਰੋ ਫੱਟੇ ਚੁੱਕਦੀ ਕੱਲੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਦੇਖੋ ਯਾਰੋ ਕੱਲੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਦੇਖੋ ਯਾਰੋ ਫੱਟੇ ਚੁੱਕਦੀ
Siddharth, we need someone sharp to handle the new client account. Do you have any suggestions?
Sir, I can do it. I'm pretty good at organizing.
Sir, I've handled 2 major clients. I would like to.
It's a tough client though. Long hours of travel. Why do you want to burden yourself?
I am capable. Sir, please consider my performance, not assumptions.
The job is yours, Anita.
Perfect. Leadership should be fair and maybe include some snacks. Oh, I would like to volunteer as the assistant snack manager. It's a very demanding role.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಓಡೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
Gender equality means equal leadership opportunities and freedom from stereotypes. Talent speaks louder than assumptions.
A girl. Are you fixing a bike?
Yes.
This is not a work of a girl. What will people say?
Let them talk. Meera fixes more bikes than a mechanic.
Oh, really? Let me check. What's that?
That's the carburetor.
What's this?
The spark plug.
The third one you won't get to know. What's that?
The fuel injector. It's obvious.
Girl fixing a bike?
Skills don't have gender.
Gender equality means equal leadership opportunities and freedom to choose your path, breaking stereotypes and traditional roles.
Hoje é dia de sol, alegria de coió, é curtir o verão.
Vem Magalenha Rojão, traz a lenha pro fogão, vem fazer a maçã. Hoje é dia de sol, alegria de coió, é curtir o verão.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Vem Magalenha Rojão, traz a senha pro burrão, TTT coração. Hoje é dia de sol, alegria de xotó, meu TV de verão.
Vem Magalenha Rojão, traz a lenha pro fogão, vem fazer a maçã. Hoje é dia de sol, alegria de coió, é curtir o verão. Vem Magalenha Rojão, traz a lenha pro fogão, vem fazer a maçã. Hoje é dia de sol, alegria de coió, é curtir o verão. Vem Magalenha Rojão.
Reduce inequality isn't charity, it's justice. Every child deserves access to safety, education, and opportunity.
We'll look into it.
Even when we speak, no one listens. We are invisible.
Welcome, delegates. Today, we focus on SDG 5, gender equality, and SDG 10, reduce inequalities.
Inequality isn't just numbers on a graph, it's in classrooms, streets, borders. Reducing inequality starts with listening and sharing power. We ask to be seen, to have a fair chance, and to rebuild our future.
Gender equality means ensuring that every girl is encouraged to study, to lead, and to pursue her dreams.
Reduced inequality means removing barriers that prevent students from reaching their full potential.
We must create an environment in which every child's voice is respected.
Local initiatives matter as much as global policies. Both are essential.
Education, safety, and opportunities must be available for all children.
Change begins when every voice is heard and power is shared.
From local initiatives to global conferences, voices once overlooked now rise.
So
Jobs like coding, cooking, cleaning, or even correcting your homeworks.
Decent work builds self-respect.
Economic growth should grow everyone, not just bank balances. Innovation starts with curiosity.
Sometimes without asking, why not try?
Strong infrastructure, smart ideas.
And younger minds imagining a brighter future.
One step forward can change how people see girls in science.
You don't need permission to lead, just opportunity.
Respect comes when you follow your passion fearlessly.
And if enough of us do that, we're already going to change the world.
We can't change everything overnight, but we can change what's around us.
Gender equality and reduced inequalities are not just goals, they are rights and the foundation of a fair society.
I wish I had the materials. Maybe I won't finish this project.
Hey, Amina, why don't you use some of these kids? The community center has a few to share for everyone.
We are also raising funds so we can arrange more kits and set up a lending program so that everyone here can learn.
Maybe we can ask the school or local businesses to donate. Everyone deserves a fair chance.
Wow, really? That would be amazing.
Reduce inequalities means making resources accessible beyond classrooms, in homes, communities, and shared spaces. Gender equality means breaking in stereotypes and encouraging young minds to shine.
For centuries, human hands have built civilizations. Weaving silk, shaping clay, carving sandalwood, and painting beaver lacquer. These hands created not just goods, but culture, pride, and identity. But as factories grew and machines raced ahead, many traditions were left behind, and workers often faced hostile occupational hazards. So tonight, we explored how SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, and SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, can restore dignity, empower communities, and bridge tradition with technology.
My grandmother's loom once dressed royalty. Each thread told a story. But now machines flood the market. My silk gathers dust.
These pots once served every household, but now plastic has replaced clay. My hands are skilled, but my livelihood slips away.
My instruments once led celebrations. Now, machines drown our craft.
Our beater art shimmered for centuries. Today, factory-made imitations dim our legacy.
This work is stunning. Is this Bidri?
Yes, sir. This is pure Bidri art from Bidar. Silver inlaid by hand.
I see. How much do they cost?
It's for 6,000 rupees, sir. Each piece takes days to complete.
6,000. I've seen cheaper ones online.
Those are factory copies. This carries our legacy.
How much are these?
8,000 rupees.
The sound feels alive.
It carries generations of music.
I see. I'll come back later. I see. How much do they cost?
shall I pack it for you? It's only 1,000 rupees.
They do look beautiful, but they're way too expensive. These pots look sturdy. Are they handmade?
Yes, sir. These pots are shaped by my hands, fired in a traditional kiln, just like my father taught me.
That's great. How much do they cost?
Only 1,000 rupees, sir. They last for a long time.
1,000 rupees for one pot? That's really unreasonable. This looks beautiful. Is it silk?
Yes, sir. Pure hand-woven silk.
I see. How much do they cost?
10,000 rupees, sir. It takes weeks to finish one piece.
10,000? That's way too expensive. I'll come back later.
I'll keep it safe, sir. I'll be waiting.
With fewer buyers, artisans are forced to abandon their craft for unsafe work, and in the process, their dignity slips away.
In the city's heart, machines never sleep. Hand stitch, hammer, lift. Progress hums, but so does exhaustion. City's heart, machines never sleep. Hand stitch, hammer, lift. Progress hums, but so does exhaustion.
"12 hours of aching backs and burning palms. One mistake and we are hurt, yet no one listens.
Without safety, every shift feels endless. But still, we work because we must.
We build the world, yet our own dreams crumble.
I can't take this anymore."
Hey! Get back to work! Back to work!
So, what about this?
Go back! Back!
Progress built on pain cannot last. Decent work must protect, not punish the hands that build our world. Workers move from silent suffering to collective empowerment. They decide to stand up for their rights, improve working conditions, and combine tradition with innovation. They realize they deserve respect, safety, and opportunity, and resolve to build a better system themselves. Every silence ends. Every weary hand still holds strength. From pain, courage rises.
We have been trapped by long hours, loud machines, and occupational hazards. But these machines aren't the enemies. Unsafe conditions are. Yeah!
Let's make work safe and fair for every skill and every hand.
Yeah! Let us redesign the factory with safer layout, proper ventilation, ergonomic tools, and innovation labs for traditional crafts.
Yeah!
Let progress and tradition work together.
Yeah!
When hands find safety and hearts find voice, work becomes art and progress a song of dignity.
With strength and spirit, we rise.
From courage rose collaboration. From struggle came safety. From tradition grew innovation. From awareness emerged sustainability. Now every hand works with dignity and care. Today, artisans and workers have embraced technology and sustainable practices, transforming their craft, their work, and their village.
The factory now runs safely. Gloves, helmets, proper ventilation and brakes. Technology helps reduce mistakes, track workflow, and prevent accidents.
We now use safer dyes and paints, safer for us, the earth, and our buyers.
Renewable energy powers our looms, where tradition meets technology.
From machines to movements, from work to wonder, here comes the dance of innovation.
Yeah, let's get some of that shit. Okay.
Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da.
We've built safety and innovation, but how do we keep the spark alive?
Let's invite Tire School's young innovators. They'll bring fresh ideas.
Together, we'll host the Innovation and Heritage Festival.
From courage and creativity rolls a new dream, where hands and minds unite, and from one spark, 1,000 lights rise.
A celebration where artisans, workers, students, and children unite, blending tradition, innovation, and sustainability to build a future of dignity and progress. From one spark grew a festival of ideas where skill meets science and every hand and mind shapes tomorrow.
Natural colors keep our art and earth alive.
We use solar powered tools that reduce usage of electricity. Technology shining with sunlight.
Look at these biodegradable packaging made from jute and leaf wraps. Eco-friendly, strong, and kind to the planet.
Even the packaging tells a story. Beautiful, safe, and green.
Old crafts and new ideas grow together.
Here, learning is shared, safety valued, and creativity renewed. Now words give way to rhythm as tradition and innovation meet in one vibrant celebration, the dance of unity.
Dhum ta na 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 dhum dhum ta na 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 dhum dhum agappa.
Dom dom da na na de ra na 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 dom dom magasa.
Da da dum da 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 di ra na 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 na.
Da 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 dom da 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 dom da da dom 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 da na 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 de ra na 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 dom.
Ta na di ra na ga ma ma ga ma ba ma ga sa ni sa. Ta na di ra na ga ma ba ma ga sa ni sa. Ta na di ra na ga ma ba ma ga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama bala, gama bala, gama esa. Gama bala, gama esa. Gama ni pa gama bala, gama esa. Za gama basa, gama bala, gama esa.
Niri mama ba kare suni. Bani sa sa bani sa sa bani sa sa. Gare sa ba gare sa ni da ba. Sani da ba mani ba magari suni.
Now follow my lead.
Where hands create and minds illuminate, where work gains dignity and dreams take flight. Here, tradition and technology breathe as one, shaping a world of hope, harmony, and light.
Tradition and innovation, hand in hand.
We build a brighter, sustainable land. Education is not just about marks.
It's about empathy, critical thinking, and is about values.
Quality education empowers children to question, create, and lead.
Because educated minds don't just earn a living, they make a difference. Peace is not just silence.
It's our fairness, trust, and justice.
Because strong institutions begin with strong values.
And every child learning right from wrong makes building peace.
In this village, dreams punch the clock at dawn and design by dusk. Here, ignorance is not the problem. It is the local celebrity.
Children work with tired hands and silent lips. Questions are strangers here.
Welcome to my kingdom. No homework, no exams, no stress. Only blessed ignorance. Happiness through zero information.
But Avidya Devi, our children long to learn. Their eyes are asking questions, but their mouths cannot.
Learn? Why? The more they know, the more they argue. Confusion is peace, my dear.
Avidya is right. Books only make trouble. Quiet minds, quiet village.
Exactly, Sarpanji.
No books, no studies. End of discussion.
And justice currently on indefinite leave.
If darkness rules, maybe light just needs courage to apply for the job.
One evening, as the sun sets over the fields, a new presence steps into the village.
What's wrong, my child?
Deepa explains everything that has happened in the village to the Guru.
Ah, where questions fade, truth awaits. Child, shall we wake it?
Guruji, can one small light change a village that has forgotten how to think?
Definitely. Thinking is powerful and no side effects, only awareness. This is not just paper, it is a key to knowledge.
It feels like hope.
A spark in one hand can light 1,000 minds.
The smell of knowledge. I'm allergic to progress.
Here, try reading a book. It's the best medicine.
Janana janana tanana tanana tom, janana janana tanana tanana tom, janana janana tanana tanana janana janana tanana tanana tom tom, janana janana tanana tanana tom tom, janana janana tanana tanana गीत धुनी को तक धीम नात्र कीट तुम नाच रहे गोरी ताल गई गई तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनी को तक धीम नात्र कीट तुम नाच रहे गोरी ताल गई गई तुम फिर तुम गई गई तुम फिर निकुतकधीं निकुतकधीं
But when light appears, shadows do not leave quietly.
What is this new entertainment? Why are people gathering here with books instead of keeping quiet?
Satpanji, they only want to study. They only want to think intelligently.
Study. Labor feeds you, not letters.
You can chain our hands, but not our thoughts.
Oh, really?
Enough! Justice grows restless when truth is caged. Every child has the right to learn, the right to ask, and the right to be heard. Without this, there's no peace. It's only fear.
But who'll pay? School's expensive.
This school will be free. The government supports free primary education so that every child can learn.
A fair school welcomes all. Girls, boys, rich, poor, every child in the village. That is how strong institutions are built.
If everyone studies, they'll question the rules. They'll question me.
If we understand the rules, we'll also understand our duties. We'll help you make fairer decisions.
If I agree, will you promise to study hard and still help your families?
Yes, Sarpanchji.
Very well. Then let us try this free school.
No, Sarpanji. I object to this.
Avidya, let us give them an opportunity. Avidya, listen to me.
With that one decision, the village chose courage over comfort, dialogue over fear. A tiny door opened, wide enough for a school to enter.
News spreads fast. The village that once banned questions now prepares to open its first free school.
Strength, serenity. The light of learning is really coming, Ma.
Our children will finally carry books, not just burdens.
But what if it fails?
Remember, if we never begin, we have already failed. Education is a journey, and every step forward matters.
Listen, everyone. The school will start next week. Any child may join. No fees, no favoritism. If there are problems, we will solve them together in open meetings. That is my promise as your leader.
Open meetings? You mean we can speak too?
That is how strong institutions will work. With participation, fairness, and transparency, not fear.
Let every child learn, and let every truth be heard. When knowledge smiles at justice, peace prevails in every heart.
So
cities are made up of 5 elements.
Earth, air, fire, water, and space.
And this performance reminds us that
when we protect the elements will protect us.
Before cities were born, before the sound of wheels and machines, the world breathed in rhythm. The ground beat like a drum. The rivers sang in silver. Flames whispered warmth into the cold. The winds carried dreams across the sleeping sky.
The world moved in step with those who walked upon it. Humans shaped the land gently, built shelters with care, let rivers guide their paths, and raised homes where the winds felt light.
But the gentle heartbeat of the world soon grew drowned. Admiration turned into ambition, and ambition into appetite. What began as shelter grew into sprawl. What began as community grew into crowding. And the rhythm of the world began to fracture.
Air, once the wandering messenger, now suffocates in the maze of rising walls. Her freedom trapped in narrow lanes, her breath stolen by smoke. Water, once clear as memory, grows dark with neglect. Her path blocked, her purity burdened. She overflows in grief, where once she flowed in grace. Fire, the giver of light, burns uncontrolled as humans feed her more than she can hold. She leaps in anger, scorching forests and homes alike. Sky, the silent guardian, stretches to shield her kin, but the rising haze blinds her vision, dimming stars that once guided travelers. Earth, the oldest mother, bears it all. The weight of concrete on her skin, the sting of heat in her soil, the floods that carve through her wounds.
We built towers that touched the clouds, but forgot the breath of the air around us. We built roads that ran far, but erased the paths that once led us home. We lit up every night and dimmed the stars that guided our dreams.
And in the stillness, humanity understood. A city without its elements is a body without a soul.
I am the soil beneath your feet. Your roots begin where my heart beats. I hold your dreams, your tears, your years. I've listened close to all your fears. You build and break upon my face, yet still I bloom with quiet grace. Through every scar I still remain to cradle life and heal its pain.
I am the river, calm and deep. In every storm my memories sleep. I heal, I feed, I rise, I fall. I give my song to one and all. But when I'm bound I twist and cry. My floods remind the reason why. Respect my flow, let kindness grow, and I'll return the peace you know.
I am the spark that lights your night, the warmth
strength that turns your dark to light. I forge your tools, I cook your bread, but careless hands bring fear instead. I rise and dance in strength and grace, a glowing heart in every place. Honor my flame, don't let it blind, for I was born to serve, not to bind. I carry sense, I carry song, I lift the weak, I right the wrong. But fill me dark with dust and flame, and I will roar no more the same. Keep me free and I will stay to guard your life in every way. The sky so vast, so wide, I watch your world from side to side. I hold your hopes, your stars, your sun, your journey's end where mine begun. But when your smoke hides all my hue, my tears fall down to comfort you. Look up again, you'll see me near, a promise clear, I still am here. We are the earth, the fire, the sea, the wind, the sky in harmony. From every lost new life is spun. Together we rise, we breathe as one. The hands that hurt can also heal. The hearts that broke can learn to feel. A world reborn, a brighter sun. Together forever we breathe as one.
And so they rebuild differently. Homes that welcome sunlight, roads that listen to footsteps, spaces where trees could breathe again, waterways restored, winds set free, roofs that held gardens instead of smoke. From fire they learn clarity, from air they learn freedom. From water, they learn balance. From sky, they learn vision. From earth, they learn belonging.
And together, they shaped a city that remembers its heart. A city built not just to live in, but to live with.
The world does not ask for perfection, only balance. When we walk gently upon her soil, when we breathe with her wind, when we burn only with purpose, we remember what it means to live in harmony.
Thank you, Prithvi and Manav, for reminding us that Earth and humanity are not separate stories, but one shared destiny.
Through your voices, we were made to reflect, to question, and to hope. You showed us that the future of our planet lies in the hands of conscious humanity.
Your journey through Mission 2050 was not just a performance, it was a powerful message.
Let's give a big round of applause to Prithvi and Manav for bringing the voice of the earth and the conscience of humanity alive on the stage.
Last but not the least, SDG 17 reminds us that no meaningful change can happen in isolation. It emphasizes the power of partnerships,
between institutions. It teaches us that when knowledge is shared, responsibilities are divided, and when people come together with purpose, leadership is strengthened and impact is multiplied. In our own journey, we have witnessed SDG 17 come alive, not as a concept, but as action.
Through collaboration, we have witnessed between our school, our students, and our parent community leadership.
Through his leadership camp and through his repeated visits to our school, Mr. Anand partnered with us, guiding, mentoring, and believing in our potential.
As a proud member of our parent community, he played a pivotal role in helping us build a strong and united 40-member student council, shaping leaders who work together for a common goal.
It is with heartfelt gratitude that we invite Mr. Anand to join us on stage, an embodiment of SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goals.
Let us now witness an extraordinary confluence of performing arts, where every note and movement inspires a brushstroke in a live, on-stage painting.
Mr. Vilas Nayak will join our performers on stage, creating a rare visual masterpiece in real time, a true artistic jugalbandi where music, movement and art merge into one breathtaking creation.
Check.
The evening unfolds with a dynamic live painting performance where the canvas becomes a storyteller alongside our artists.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are voices crying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me.
In this place we cannot feel our dread. We stop existing and start living.
Then it feels that always love's enough for us going. So make a better world, to make a better world. The world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are voices crying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we weren't conceiving will reveal a triple face. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep strength and life when this earth was a fire soul? Though it's plain to see this world is happening, we got
Save this world so precious, so blessed and so near. Protect its beauty and splendor, don't let that disappear. Preserve our animals and plants and humankind as well, so that our future generations can have a story to tell. Protect us from evil and spread the word of good, of peace, love, justice, virtue and brotherhood. Cause we only have one earth and we can waste our motherland, so let's move fast and force. I think it's time to take a stand. We could really get there if we care enough for the living. Make a little
Thank you so much, Mr. Nayak, for creating this magic. I think all of us are going to remember for our lives. Yes or no, boys and girls? Come on, 3 cheers for Nayak sir. Thank you so much. Sir, we would like you to speak a few words and how beautifully you have brought all the 17 SDGs resonating with our very own culture, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Thank you so much.
All right. Hello, everyone. Namaste, namaskara. First of all, thank you so much for having me here. Performing with for children has always been my passion, but I think this is the first time I have done a painting with so many children at a time. So it was quite a mind-boggling experience for me also. When ma'am told me about United Nations SDGs, I couldn't think of anything else coming from an Indian background, our own in Asian history. We have always taught about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, one world, one family. That's all, you know, all the 17 sustainable development goals, that's what it means. So I wanted to bring that factor creating this artwork. And I must say I have done shows all over India and across the world for a lot of schools, but probably this is the first time I saw a school, all the children performing on such meaningful topic. Otherwise, I don't think I have seen this anywhere else. So thank you, Trayo. Thank you to the management. Thank you to the entire faculty for actually even thinking about this, conceptualizing this entire thing. Though this looks very simple, I think this is what life is. If we take care of these simple things, the extraordinary will take care of itself. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you, guys.